History is also being made in Florida today, where all systems are go for today's launch of the Space Shuttle Endeavour. The mission will mark the shuttle's final flight. But there's another big story about the launch. U.S. Congresswoman Gabrielle Giffords will be there to watch her husband, Commander Mark Kelly, blast off. She was cleared by doctors to attend the launch only 3 months after she miraculously survived being shot in the head. To help put Giffords' incredible progress into perspective, we go live now to New York and Dr. Azriel Cornell. He's a neurosurgeon and brain injury specialist. Good morning to you, and thank you for joining us.
Good morning, Beverly. It's a pleasure to be here with you on such an uplifting day, in so many ways uplifting.
It absolutely is, and we certainly use the word, miracle many times when describing this story. But tell me how amazing it is from a neurosurgeon's standpoint that she could be in this position to be out and about and watch her husband at this shuttle launch.
Well, really, as you say, the word miracle has been used quite a bit. And the miracle is really that to be shot at point-blank range in the head, that the trajectory of the bullet could have been a couple of degrees different, and it would have made a complete difference in the outcome. The miracle is that she was able to survive with great immediate medical care with the neurosurgical team that was right there and did all the right things. But the greatest miracle, if you want to call it that, is the will that she has to recover and to do well. You know, she had a brief, if any, period of coma at the initial injury, and so she came through that very quickly, which means that there was a lot of brain that was still very functional, and she has taken what she has available to her and is with strength of will utilizing that to make a recovery that is something that the whole world is admiring now.
And given her situation now, because it was difficult, I mean, we heard that her speech was very slow at first. What kind of prognosis might there be for her in terms of, I mean, maybe even one day of full recovery?
Well, it all depends how you define a full recovery. You know, the speech centers are located in the left side of the brain, which is where the injury was. So I would anticipate that there will be problems with speech that may be a long-term permanent issue, but it's a question of how severe those impairments are. And it could be that she recovers sufficient speech that she can communicate very readily with others, and that it would be something that only she or those who were very close to her might realize was not quite right. But the most important thing, I think, is that she be able to be herself, that she fundamentally can interact with the world in the way that she would have interacted with the world before the injury, that she can love the people who she loves, that she can appreciate the beauty of a beautiful day like this, that she can share in an exciting, momentous occasion such as this with her husband. Those are the remarkable and important things. And then for her to be able to improve her speech is wonderful, but that could take several years of ongoing improvement, because I've seen patients take 2-3 years to continue to improve. Same with movement on the right side. That could improve over not just months, but over years. Wow. So I don't expect next month to suddenly see her normal, but I think the fact that we see her today going to an event like this to support the husband who she loves so much, that is what's really the miracle and what's the real beauty behind this.
It truly is. Dr. Cornell, thank you so much for joining us.
You're very welcome. My pleasure.